Welcome back to another Joyride video. This video is the video where we light this town up. Logan, tell me what we're gonna do in this video, bud.
I showed you the lights and all of the lights in the town.
Yep, but before we get to that, we had a few questions about where we got some of our stuff, where we get our cars, because the last few videos people were asking, hey, where do you find this stuff? So we're over here at TJ Toys. Look at this. We got Chevy Tom over here. Little man, we are in like heaven right now, aren't we, bud? Look at all this. And I will put a link and everything, address, description, if you guys want to come out here and check out this place. It is super cool. And this is pretty much my mess that I made here. We got our full Mustang collection, don't we, buddy? Show them what you got. Everybody kept asking about the Fast and the Furious house. In the previous video of this town build, you'll see where we got the Fast and the Furious house. It started off as just like white plastic and we painted it, made it look like this. We distressed the barn and everyone kept asking where I got it. I did say in that video where I got it, but most people don't last that long in these videos. So I figured I'd put it in the beginning of this video. From 3D Print 64. That's where I got the Fast and the Furious house. He's actually making me a few other things. We're gonna do a big Ford dealership. And because we've built this diorama, I've inspired so many of you guys. I've gotten messages of pictures of other dioramas that some of you guys have built, and they're super cool. I love seeing that, where I inspire other people to do things, especially stuff like this with COVID and everything going on where you really can't get out and do much. This right here has definitely fulfilled that car need that I need. And it's super cool because I get to spend time with you, right, buddy?
My DeLorean went big.
Oh, wow. How'd you do that? That's a magic trick, bud. I did get a new table, so we're extending this town all the way out. I got my Denny's, which is super cool. That's gonna be in the next part. I guess stage 2 of the town build. You wanna turn that Denny's sign on? Show them how that works, buddy. These are the rotating signs. They're pretty expensive. They're from Miller Engineering. You can either cut a hole in the table and mount it like this, or you can
put it on the table.
Well, you can put it on the table, but then it's going to look bulky. Or you can mount it under the table and just drill a hole through the table, which that's what we did with the OK Used Car sign right over there. We got a little incident right here. Cop writing the 500 a ticket, getting impounded. And a lot of the cars that you guys see, Auto World, Green Light, Johnny Lightning. Hot Wheels actually has a premium model with rubber tires like these, which are super cool. So you can find all of these online, but we typically go to TJ's for our cars, and you could pretty much find anything there. Logan's got a remote to some of our lights, so we even put a remote system. So let me show you. They're like those light pucks that you can get, the under the counter ones. So we put some of those in here in some of the buildings, and then we wired up some of them. But let me show you what we got. The pole lights we got off of Amazon. A lot of the lights and stuff we either got from Amazon or eBay. We come down under the table, show you. This is where all the lights are all wired in. This is the light hubs that I got, and these are pretty much the train builders, the train guys that build the train stuff. This is what they use for all their lights. So that's essentially what this is. You've got your main switch, it turns them all on, and then you've got your expansion hub over there. Got all my wires.
You already showed all of the wires in a different video.
Did I?
Yeah.
That was FaceTime, buddy. So we've got all the wires under here, and then you could see that's for that dealership, that same one that we just showed you on the Denny's. And then that's where it's plugged in, so you've got your expansion hub.
Is this light off?
Yeah, it's off right now.
Can I turn it on?
Yep, you can turn it on.
What if you do this one?
You can go either way you want.
Which one?
Yep, and they just hold batteries, and that thing just rotates. Looks pretty cool. We've got a bunch of signs, and then this switch right here will pretty much turn all the lights on. Right here we've got dimmers, so we can dim and control, like if you want certain ones to be lighter or brighter. Let's say for an example like this shop light. See that shop light? So you can dim and brighten it, which is kind of cool. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn the lights off, show you guys this thing lit up. You guys ready for it? Logan, you gonna transition them?
Lights out. Lights on.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always
Logan, what's your most favorite light in here? You like the Texaco one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one's super cool. We got pole lights, billboards. We got the underneath of the gas station lit up. The insides of the shops lit up. I mean, it looks real, doesn't it, buddy?
Dada,
Yeah.
you need to put furniture in.
Don't tell on me. We didn't put any furniture in the Starbucks. What was cool about those lights, do you want to show them how you could change the color on those? Got this remote. Logan's going to show you guys. Oh, so in the shop.
Red, white,
and that's
green.
white. So we got green.
Green
So
for Starbucks.
I got an idea. Let's hit these lights real quick. Bright. That's bright. We got this. We could put a GoPro on. What do you say?
Open it.
Let's
and
put
the GoPro on.
Let's put a-
inside the food town.
You want to do that?
Yes.
All right. Here.
Open time.
This is his most favorite part. Is probably opening these.
Oh yeah. GoPro car.
So now we need to get our GoPro, throw it on there,
GoPro.
and drive it through the town. If you guys haven't seen this room, this is pretty much where all of our cars are.
We don't have enough
And then-
cars, Dada.
We don't?
Yeah.
And we got more over here. Yeah, but this is our room, isn't it, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
This is probably where Logan hangs out most of the time.
This is my favorite room in the whole entire house.
Mine too, buddy. Here you go, bud.
Let's do this.
Did you get it in there?
Not yet. It's in.
Look at that.
Hot
So-
Wheels GoPro.
That thing's gonna look cool. You ready to ride that thing through the town?
You have to press the button.
Yeah. What are you doing? I'm not sure how this footage is gonna look, but hopefully it turns out okay. What do you think, buddy? Think it'll turn out all right?
Dada, I know something funny to do.
All day.
Look.
He's just full of ideas. What is he doing? There's the lights. Let me know what you think of those. Because this basically was the start of it, and then we are going to expand a lot. We've got a lot more space. This table's a lot bigger, so we got a lot more coming. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe if you guys want to see the extension of this town.
Look at him.
Yeah, we're extending the town, so we've got our Denny's that we're gonna be putting into the new town. We're not gonna, that was this Walmart building. If you guys caught a video, this one was a couple years ago from the first one that we've ever built. That was the AutoZone and the Walmart that I hand built. Those we're not gonna be putting in this other town. We just kind of just sat them there. But we've got this 3D printed house that's pretty cool, and it's actually true 1/64 scale. I still need to paint that one. We're gonna put that one in this town. Let me show you some of the cars that I've modified. This is a project in progress Civic that I had built. This is my CRX that I built, primered, because that's typically how you see them in my area. This thing is super cool. I tubbed it out, put some big fat rear tires on it. It's sweet. Here's the one all my Mustang guys are gonna appreciate. This right here is a Fox body that we built. Logan decided to leave the hood yellow. I'll show you the before. And we tubbed it out. I had to do some cutting on that.
This was before, but it had
Yep.
a yellow hood too.
Yeah, that's another one that we did. We put a big engine on it, but wait till you guys see what we did to this. It's a Coyote swap with a turbo. That thing looks mean. So you want to let them in on a secret what we're building in this one?
We are building a dealership and we're building a drag strip.
Yep. It's gonna be a big new car dealership, and then we've got our used car dealership over there. And we're gonna have a drag strip probably. The drag strip I think we're gonna do over here in this corner, and we'll have it run all the way down maybe, or stop somewhere. We're gonna have a junkyard and maybe a campground or something like that behind it, and we'll have the house somewhere, I don't know. So if you guys wanna see that, see the progress of this, definitely make sure you guys subscribe, because probably on this one I'm not going to do it to you guys like I did with this one, leave you guys hanging for a couple weeks before I get you an updated video, because I'll be honest, with all of these lights and everything like that, once I ordered them, some of this stuff took like 2 weeks to get. Mail has just been crazy lately. I'll do a video for the dealership, and I'll do a video for the drag strip. I'll do a video for each one. What'd you do, bud?
I swapped the wheel.
You swapped the wheels on those? That's cool. Oh look, we got farm truck, we got Death Trap in there, Chuck's car, and then we've got RC10 right there. Ooh, let me show you. I already opened this. Typically I usually open this stuff on video. Look at this. Sent us these, which are super cool. Here's a little bubble for it. Here's the C10. Put it in there, bud. Show them how it looks.
Oh yeah, that dude.
Look at that.
I'm gonna open the C10.
Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Just like our truck, buddy. Will made these for us for the C10, and that thing is super cool. I'm gonna see if I can get him to make us a few of these, maybe 10, 20 of these. I don't know. I gotta see how many of these C10s I have, and then make these and possibly sign them and sell them, or even do like a giveaway. I don't know. That's super cool. And then we've got these stickers.
Why do you have stickers?
These are for you and Liam.
For me, Mia?
Yeah, what are you guys gonna stick them on? Think of something really cool. That's actually pretty cool. Roy's the boy. Okay, so he's got a YouTube channel, so we'll have to check that out. That looks pretty cool.
It's one of them for me.
P.O. box is always in the description if anybody wants to send us anything. And we are gonna go take a trip over to Tom's, because Tom built a town. We're gonna show you guys his. And like I said earlier in this video, I have inspired a lot of people by building this, and Tom being one of those. Yeah, wow. We're gonna actually take that GT500 and we're gonna head over to Tom's town, just give you guys a quick tour. So here we are, Chevy Tom.
What's going on, guys?
Check it out. Dude, hey, tell them why you did it.
Because you finally inspired me to do it.
Yep, that's what I was just telling everybody. I'll take the credit for this one. I've actually had some of you guys send me pictures of your dioramas that you've built since I've made my first video on this. So because of that, I'm gonna share Tom's with you guys. You didn't do all the lights like we did.
Not yet, no.
Not yet, but later. Yeah, you get this done first and that, but you wanna give them a tour of your little town that you built?
Yeah,
go for it. So okay, first we gotta start off at your house, because I'm stuck behind a Virginia State Trooper.
Yeah.
Should I rip it around him?
Go for it. He's sleeping anyway.
Tom's house, we're gonna come over here and visit him. Yeah,
and
I'm gonna
it's just like real life.
Park in the yard.
Full driveway.
Yep. So 74 Corvette. Is that one actually 74?
No,
that one's not. But
like
the one that Tom had was a 74, and then he's got his 72 Chevelle that he painted. He actually built that car to look just like his, which is kind of cool. Dang, look at you, got swimming pool.
Yeah.
Look at you, big time.
I know it.
Big time diving board and everything. That makes your insurance go up.
Yes, it does.
Got car trailer in the back, driveway full. You can't even fit anybody else in there. And then we got Dylan's house next door with the El Camino in the backyard. That's another video coming. This is cool because this is what I don't have on mine, is a truck yard. And these trucks right here, this thing is super nice. I like that with that dump bed. And he's got 2 of them, so you won't notice if one disappears. Dump trucks are super cool. A lot of these cars is stuff that Tom already had.
I've had this stuff for years.
Look at this. Got another one over there. Do you mind?
Go for it.
He's got them all up his wall. They're even on the counter. This is his kitchen, all right? On his kitchen counter. Look at this, all the way up right here. This is his front door. And then it goes all the way around.
I got boxes. Those are some of my extras right there.
He's not a car guy at all.
Nah,
not at all.
Don't even show them what I got in the basement.
Because you know, you got some guys that just buy a cool car because they want to look cool.
Yeah.
A true car enthusiast, this is what they do. Let's show them the rest of the town. So we got your house over there.
Yeah.
You guys saw that.
Got a KFC here. We got the used car dealership here. Buy here, pay here. In-house finance.
See how they got a tow truck right there.
Don't be late.
If you're 3 days late on that payment, they're coming for you.
Then I got the old gas station here.
That's
with a bunch of cars to be repaired.
And this right here probably looks a little bit familiar to mine.
Yep. This is the Roadkill garage, if you guys follow. I've made all of these cars here. Muscle Truck, Vanishing Paint, Blasphemy. That's the Wreck Runner, but that's just the way it is. I haven't customized that yet. This is General Mayhem, the Hellcat motor in it.
That out. Now that is sick.
And then General Maintenance.
That's pretty cool. So if you guys have seen Roadkill, you'll appreciate those. Tell them what you got going on right here, because
that's my extra warehouse there. Blacked out vet, red vet.
And then of course we got the motel, because we love our motels. Oh, you got your first sign?
Got my first sign.
You gotta have the motel, because after you take the lovely ladies out to the DQ, you need to take them to the motel.
The No-Tell Motel.
7-Eleven right there. Got your Dairy Queen.
Got the Silver Skillet Diner. Then we got the race car shop right here. Put an LS motor in that Camaro.
So we'll just step back, give you guys a quick little view of the whole thing. That thing, it's pretty cool. And Tom pretty much did the same thing with the cork board, the grass. I mean, it's pretty much the exact same.
Yep, pretty much.
Now, anybody that wanting to build these, it's easy, isn't it?
It's real easy.
You said that you've even wanted to build one of these for a long time, right?
Since I was a little kid, I've always wanted one.
Just never really just went and did it.
Never had the room for it.
How long did it take you to build yours? Mine, it took a lot longer, just because trying to film stuff and do that, it just ends up making the whole thing take a lot longer.
I would say about a week.
Took a week to build this. So any of you guys could do this. And he just sits here every evening and plays.
Yep.
With winter, COVID, and you really can't get out and do much, this right here definitely fulfilled that car need or whatever.
Exactly. Just to let you guys know, of course, you see this truck right here. Follow me on Instagram. It's going to be my red truck that's sitting on the driveway.
Well, it's time to head out. We're back. We're going to go ahead and bring this video to a wrap. What do you think, Logan? What do you think? We're going to wrap it up? What do you want to... Play more. Logan and I, we're gonna just sit in here, just play until I guess mommy tells us it's time to go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any suggestions for the expansion, the new part of our town, or town phase 2, I don't know. Drop any ideas that you guys have in the comment section, but we're gonna go ahead and bring this video to a wrap, and we will see you guys in the next video. You put them in the back of the truck. All right, buddy, close them out.
Bye.